Good evening everyone. My name is Sarjara Gowde and today's date is 20th November 2022 and my today's video's topic is the collection framework in Java. So let's understand what is my collection, what is my framework and what is my collection framework and what is the use of this collection framework in a Java programming language and some advantages of this collection framework and let's understand this collection framework by one example. So let's get started. The first one is the collection. So the collection we can say that it is a architecture that store the and manipulate the group of the objects, interface and classes. So we can say that it is a collection of the group of the objects, or another way we can say that said that it is a single entity which is represented a multiple objects, or we can say that multiple group of the objects. So the collection is nothing but the group of it is the group of the interfaces, classes and objects. So in this using these interfaces and classes, the developer use these interfaces and classes to build the or make the web application or mobile application on the JDK platform. So in this Java programming language, in a collection is a framework. So it is a framework. We can say that is nothing but the group of the interfaces and classes. So using these interfaces and classes, the developers can make the or build the a mobile application or web application. So in another way, we can say that it is a framework is a pre-written code that use the developers to build the web application or mobile application. So using this framework, there are so many uses are there. So let's see the some uses of this using this framework. So there are the several uses of this using this framework. So first one is using this framework. We using this framework to allow the different collections, and this using this framework they adapt the collection which is required to build the web application or mobile application. So one question is arises, there is a why we need this collection framework. So let's understood this by one example. So there is when we create one variable. So to this variable we need to assign some value. So assign the some value. So program wants to another variable. So we need to create the another variable and assign to the new value to this variable. So let's consider. Let's imagine if in any case the program wants to more than 100 values. So we need to create a more than 100 variables. So to this more than 100 variable we need to assign the more than 100 values. So it is a traditional way to get the output, and it is inefficient way. So there is a using this interfaces and classes. So there is one concept is introduced which is called the array list. So in this array list we can save the more than 100 values, or whatever how much we want value we can be create or we assign to the value to this variable. So there is final point is the advantage of this collection framework. So there are so many advantages like the using this interfaces or group of the objects. It is easy to use to developer to develop their web application or mobile application, and using this interfaces and classes of the frameworks, it is a less time consuming, or we can say that it is a smarter way to build the applications or mobile applications or web applications. And that's my point of view about this collection framework in Java programming language. Thank you.